Welcome back to the Code with Abdur channel. Myself Abdurrahman Khan, and here we have coding ninja skill test project and hospital API. I'm re-recording this video because before earlier video taking 14 minutes, and I have to create in 5 minutes. So just showing our files and well, our apps only so this time because it's a big project. So just we show you our files, the index starting page of all our project here, and we have some dependencies here, big grep compression and blah blah blah. And we have swagger.json. We use this API for UI, okay, and here we have hospital API from postman, and we just put a static here, okay. And after that we have utils form. Next is just completing index.js, not importing all the files here. So we put app.js here, running that app.js from the index.js, okay. So import some dependencies and extra packages from there. After that we have utils, send emails, create transport, non-mailers, and for send mails, it's like this, helper, secret, this, we have like this. And all the token.js, we have helpers, and which files we don't want to put create maximum time, so we put in constant and we use from this here, okay. So we have like constant presence product status.code, user role, so that place, and some confidentials that are which I put in this .env file, so I can't show you. And we have config.js, okay. We just put this .env file sample and put in our github, so you can go and check it out from there. And we have config file, db config file, okay. So configurations, and here we have API, common middlewares, and these are the middlewares, and we have nested middlewares. So we exporting these three files from here, from middlewares. And in version 1 we have much files, okay. So in version 1 we have features, out in controllers, middlewares is login, checking that user is logged in or not. After that we have models. In models we have token models, user models, the user schema created for the users, so putting in the model section. That's a nice for production based routing, or take putting the file folders like that, okay. And after we have routes, in routes we have auth.routes.js, and we have some importing our files and package from the express. And service, use service like this .js, validators, index.js, login.js, okay. So validates that the login, register, set password, and exporting all the files from the index.js, okay. So after that, patient controllers, models, patient models, report models, routes, so patient routes, service, patient service.js, index.js, report, index.js for exporting all the files. And we have report controllers, report routes, export. We can export, but export manually from all the files. So we have to import all the files from this file from 555. We just importing all this file from only this folder report. So that's the best way to export it from the index.js, okay. After in reporting we have middlewares, w.auth.middlewares. After in configures we have config.js, db.config.js, constant, present status code, these are roles, and these are the files, okay. So and we have error log, combine log, and blah 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 this, okay. So I just show you my app. So I think video also getting lengthy. So here here our app starting on localhost 3000, and we use this swagger UI for creating our UI, okay. We have like post, get request, pass, delete request, post, get request, this like this, okay. So we have like this. If click on this, we have the button of tryout and fill all the things whichever we have required, and all the things are getting from the CN skill test hospital render. And this is my actually render API which I host this app, okay. So if you want, you can check out this API from there. Thank you very much.